Hi, this is Dave here, and today I'm going to talk about the Stripe payment gateway for RazorCart. So the first step is to install the extension. RazorCart comes standard with two payment gateways, Authorize.net and PayPal. So Stripe, you're going to need to install an extension that you can download either from our website or the DNN store. So you would go to Extensions and install extension, and then drag the zip file in here. It will install, and you should be good to go after that. But I've already installed it, so I'm going to go ahead and skip that step. Okay, so after you've installed it, you're going to want to go into the RazorCart admin. So you access the RazorCart admin this way, select that. I've already got it loaded here. So you're going to go down, the next step is to set up the payment method. So you're going to go into payment methods, and there's two different integrations with Stripe that we have. We have one called Stripe Direct, which is what we call merchant hosted. That means that the user is going to type the credit card in a form that's hosted in RazorCart by you. The second one is Stripe Checkout, and this one is going to be gateway hosted or Stripe hosted, meaning the user is going to type in their credit card into a pop-up that is provided by Stripe. Now Stripe is pushing everybody towards the Stripe Checkout because it's more secure. You're entering payments on the Stripe payment form. So let's go ahead and look at these. So you're gonna click Add if you don't have these already, and then it's gonna pop up the same page that I'm gonna show you in edit mode. So so this is the Stripe Direct. Basically, you're gonna want to check the active flag, type in the name, select credit card from the method type, and then select Stripe Direct from the gateway. You can add an optional surcharge percentage or amount, which is going to add either a percentage or an amount to the total, and you're going to enter your secret key, which you need to get from your Stripe virtual terminal. So you're going to need to log into your Stripe account, and then you can make this accessible by role, one or more roles, and then you're going to want to save that. The Stripe Checkout is a little bit different fields. So you're going to again select active, give it a name. Select credit card from the method type, Stripe Checkout from the gateway, optionally enter a surcharge. The Remember Me is if you enter one here, is going to show a checkbox, like a Remember Me checkbox. You're going to enter your publishable key and your secret key for Stripe, which you get on the Stripe website, and then you can put a URL for a logo if you want that on the form, the pop-up, and then you can have this payment method show for one or more roles, and then you will save. Okay, so let's go test the checkout here. Okay, so I'm looking at my product list page here, and I'm going to go add to cart, and I'm going to select Stripe Direct first, and just type in a test credit card. Okay, review your order and place it. Okay, so that was approved for $45. So then you can log into your Stripe account and just confirm that you see that $45 right there. Okay, so that looks good. So let's go back and check out the next Stripe payment method, which is the Stripe Checkout. So let's add to cart, and I'm going to choose the Stripe Checkout this time, and you can see that the credit card is hidden. It's because we're going to get a pop-up from Stripe here in a second. So you proceed, and review your order and click the button Pay with Stripe, and you get a pop-up here, and just type in your credit card. And click Pay, and it was approved. And that looks good. That concludes the Stripe Payment Gateway video for RazorCart. Thanks for listening.